Hi, today I would like to show you how to knit this scrunchie with bubbles. So if you are interested, stay with me. And I just quickly want to encourage you to leave a thumb up and click that subscribe button so I can develop my channel. We're going to knit 5mm circular needles with total length 23 cm, marker, knitter's sewing needle, hairband, and of course yarn. Mine is from Drops Safran and Muskat. Okay, so let's start with casting on stitches. Take the yarn and now we need to make a slip knot. So wrap it around your fingers, draw it through and pull it. Slide your slip knot onto the needle. Now it is time to cast on stitches. Ensure the working yarn with your fingers and wrap it around your thumb and forefinger just like that. Take your needle under and then over the yarn, pull it. One more time, under, over, and that's all. Under, over, pull it. We need to cast on 80 stitches. And remember that the first loop is our knit slip knot, so it doesn't count. Okay, I've casted on 80 stitches. And now we need to make sure that all stitches are lying evenly on needles and that they are face forward one direction. This step is very important, so don't rush, because if you make this one wrong, you will need to unravel the whole project. Before we start knitting, put the marker on your needle so we can tell where is the beginning and ending of the row. Okay, needle with working yarn is in your right hand. And as you can see, I wrapped yarn around my forefinger in the other hand. As I said before, we didn't count first loop because it was our slip knot, and now we're just sliding it from the needle. And now I'm going to knit stitches. How to knit them? Take your right needle and put the point of your needle through the stitch. Work from the left to the right. Wrap the yarn around your needle, slide the loop from the left needle, and here you go. This is how to knit the knit stitch. Remember that first row is the hardest one, so don't be put off by it. If you want to practice knit stitches, I will put the link in top right corner to my other video where I've showed you how to knit the knit stitch on bigger needles and thicker yarn. Okay, so I'm going to continue knitting knit stitches till the end of the row, so that means till I get to the purple marker, and after that I'm going to knit 4 more rows of knit stitches. Okay, I've knitted 5 rows of knit stitches and the project looks like this. Now you need to take 7 more markers and place them after every 10th stitch. I've placed additional markers and now I'm going to stop every second marker. So knit all stitches to first marker. Slide the marker and now this stitch I'm going to knit with yarn with different color. So take the yarn and knit a knit stitch. And continue knitting knit stitches with first color. As I said before, we are going to stop in every second stitch, so this marker I'm just sliding. And I'm continuing knitting knit stitches. sliding marker, and I'm taking other color and knitting one knit stitch with them. Then I continue working with the base color. And different color again. Back to base color, and repeat this after last marker. Be careful about end of thread, assure it with your finger. Okay, put the point of your needle through the loop just like knitting a knit stitch, but don't slide it from the needle. Now put the point of your needle through back leg of the needle of the stitch and don't slide the loop from the left needle. Again, put the point of your needle just like knitting a knit stitch and again through back leg of the stitch. Okay, so now I have 4 stitches and with them I'm going to make a bubble. Put the point of your left needle through first loop. Wrap the yarn over the needle and slide the loop from the needle. Again, put the point of your needle just like that. Wrap the yarn over the needle and slide the loop. Repeat this 2 more times. Now knit 4 knit stitches. And again, just like before, point of the left needle through first loop, wrap the yarn over the needle and slide the loop from the needle. Repeat with rest of the stitches. Again, knit 4 stitches. And now I'm going to take second loop and take it over first one. And third loop over the first one. And last one over the first one. And now I will continue knitting until the next color change. I will cut the green yarn and tie it so it won't tangle. Don't worry about loose threads, just tie them together. There's no need to fasten the ends because this will be inside scrunchie. Okay, this is time for changing colors again, and I will knit everything exactly the same as I did with green one. And now I'm going to repeat this with purple and orange color. I've knitted row with bubbles, and then I've knitted 5 more rows of knit stitches, and project looks like this. Now it is time for another row with bubbles, but this time I'm going to knit bubble after purple marker and then after every second marker. So I'm just sliding purple marker, and straight away I'm taking different color and knitting one stitch. I will repeat this in every second marker. And then in next row I'm going to knit bubbles, and after that 5 rows of knit stitches. I've knitted a row of bubbles and then 5 more rows of knit stitches, so it is time for last row with bubbles. I'm going to knit them after markers, just like in the first row with bubbles, and after that I'm going to knit 5 more rows of knit stitches. Okay, project looks like this, and it is time to cast off stitches. Put the point of your needle through 2 loops and knit them together. Put this back onto your left needle and again knit 2 and repeat. Do this gently and don't pull it too hard because we want nice even edge. Okay, so repeat this till the end of the row. Okay, I have last stitch left, and now put the point of your needle through first loop, take the yarn and draw through stitch. Cut the thread with a spur. And now we're going to need knitter's sewing needle and a hairband. Thread the needle. Fold inside out. I'm taking calculator because I have it close, but you can also do this on a book or something else, but I didn't want to stretch the hairband. So put the hairband over. Take the needle and insert it under the loop. Keep end of this yarn inside. And now again under the stitch. And again under, and keep working like that around. And I sewed all stitches together, and scrunchie is ready. If you want to learn more, please make sure that you've subscribed to my channel, and if you found that video helpful, please leave a thumb up and comment below. Thank you, and I hope to see you later.